settled, cleaned, and I'm very green today. Very green. Green must be my color. We're going into the mountains. I wonder what it looks like. The last time I was here it was fall color in full effect. Now it might be winter. Car is filthy. Protectors are protecting me. So I'm here at 4 Corners and the dogs are in the car, so I'm going to make this quick. It's actually kind of warm today. Do not need all the winter gear, but here we go. Okay, 4 Corners was cool. It's $5. Everybody's nice here. So now, move. I gotta figure out where I'm gonna stay for the next few days. Hi, Sugar. Thank you for the dog breath. It's definitely warmer out here. I don't even need this beanie or anything. It's like almost 65 degrees or so, 70 maybe. No, it's not that warm. I kind of want to go back. It's just so, everything's so out here, it's so far away from everything. But I'm going to have to find what I'm going to do, and I just lost cell phone service, so. Fingers. We are in bed, doors are locked. It is not freezing cold. go for a little stroll over to these hoodoos. Oh, wrong dog. Come on. Oh, boys. Sun is coming up. But we're gonna go take a look because I think there's a big valley down here. So much to go explore. Look at all these hoodoos. Oh my gosh. Watch out, buddy. It's a drop off, honey. Settle down. Look at that. My outfit is something for the award books. Yes, it's Rudolph before Christmas, or before Thanksgiving. You know what? They're soft, they're fuzzy, and they're comfortable. And that's all that really matters. So there's Mexican Hat. I was there a couple months ago. So I'm so close to Monument Valley. I just drove past the roundabout to get there, and I just don't feel like going. I know the last time I was here, I was like super like bummed, but I was excited because I was like, you know what, we're still going into Arizona. Da 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 da. Speaking of which, we are driving through the state line. My very dirty. Oh, it's not gonna do it. Okay, cool. But we are now in Arizona. Gosh, this drive is bringing back.
Welcome to Arizona.
Thank you. Welcome to Arizona. This drive is bringing back so many memories. The last time I was here, I still had my F-250, the white truck, and the camper, and I was just living large, man. I absolutely loved that truck. It was old, it was a beater, had nothing fancy to it, but I think that's why I liked it so much, is because it was just what I wanted. So it's been a little emotional, you know, driving through here, because this was like one of the last little trips that I had before the truck died, and I had to get a new one, and that started that whole new adventure with Brutus and all that kind of stuff. But you know, it just is a reminder that, you know, life throws punches and you gotta dodge them sometimes, and this was just one of those punches that I dodged, and I just made the best out of it. So, you know, it's just I miss the white truck and the camper sometimes. You know, that represents a moment of my life where I was completely debt-free, and I was just starting out as a nomad, and I was figuring things out, and it was just a wonderful time. And now, you know, full circle, I'm back to where it all, you know, almost began, and it's just a little emotional because I have a completely new rig, I've got a completely new vehicle, completely new perspective on life and how to be a nomad and what I want in my life and so forth. And you know, it's crazy how, you know, life changes at a blink of an eye. So sometimes you just got to keep up and make the best of it, and that's what we're doing. Isn't that right, babe? I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. If you are subscribed, don't forget to hit the bell notification so you're notified when I post new content. I try to post every Saturday, but every now and then I throw in an extra video. We'll see. Just depends on how far behind I get with my travels. I try to keep you guys updated. And if you're interested in seeing any of the places that I camp at, check out my Patreon. I post the GPS locations with all of the information information around it on my Patreon. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I will see you all on the next one, and until then, stay safe and have a very blessed day. Bye.